For today's video, I kind of just wanted to do a everyday makeup tutorial, bare face. I'm not wearing any makeup right now. I just washed my face. So I just wanted to do just kind of a natural everyday look for, if you're going to school, work, just simple. For my skin tone, it's really hard for me to find tutorials on stuff that works with my skin because I'm not super dark, but I'm not super light. I'm kind of in the middle. So that's why I just wanted to do something showing just some products that are really good for if you have kind of a tanner skin complexion that work with me. I know everybody's different, so if you like neutral colors, that's what I like. I like the natural colors. So that's what I'm going to use. But if you like super colorful looks, that's fine too. I myself haven't really played around with the colorful colors. Colorful colors. I don't know what to call them, but I haven't played around with like the metallics really, or like the hot pinks, things like that. I have seen a lot of people do it, and they do it really well, so I'm still learning how to do, colors like that. But as far as just an everyday natural look, that's what I'm best at, I think. I like to think so. I'm not the best, I'm just average, but so yeah, let's get on with this tutorial. So I'll see you guys in a minute. So here I am just starting with my eye makeup, and we're using the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Gotta take off these glasses first. Here we go. Get it nice and good on both eyes. And then I usually just use my finger to rub it in. Really don't have to use a brush for it. Okay, so now that that's done, I'm going to take my Too Faced Natural Love palette. This is my favorite palette. Oh, okay, dance. This is my favorite palette from them because it has a lot of just natural neutral colors. It has some pinks in there though too that you can use. Just everyday palette. And then I'm taking my e.l.f. blender brush. It's just a regular makeup brush that I use to put just the beginning eyeshadow on. That's Heaven in the palette. And I'm just going to take that, put it all over my eyelid, like so. Don't mind my face, I'm looking in the mirror that's above me so that I can see what I'm doing. And just do that on both sides of your eyes. Can't really see it, but it's there. And then after that, I am going to go in to a more neutral color. It's called Nudie in the palette. And that's like a matte brown color, so just put that in there. And then just put that kind of in the crease of your eyes. On both sides. And then I just blend it in there until I'm satisfied. Cute. Yes. Yes. So when that is done, Then I'm just taking a different blending brush now, eyeshadow brush. It has two sides to it. I'm just taking the flatter side and going in with whatever eyeshadow, which is Coffee Date. And I'm just going to take that, put that all over the eye. And I usually don't wet my brush when I do the eyeshadow, I just leave it dry. There you go, looking flawless, looking cute. And then I usually just put some more on because I like it to be just a softer. So I'm taking my Luxie blending brush. This is just another brush that I have. It has a tapered end. And I'm going into my palette and choosing Makeup and Chill. And you're just going to put that just on the outer corner of your eyes. Like that. Both sides. It's hot in here. Got the heat up to like 90. And then next, I'm just taking my Boxen Big T's mascara, using that. And I usually do a couple coats of mascara, depending. And then once that is done, I usually, jam a little. And then I just take my other mascara. This is Too Faced. Then I just take this one and do another coat of mascara. Jeez, how many times am I gonna coat that eyelash? Okay, there we go. Now we're done. 20 coats later. Feeling cute. Feeling ready. Then I'm going to take my primer, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, right there. Yep. And you can get this at Sephora. It's not that bad. So I just take that, put that all over my face to prime it before I do the foundation. And here I'm just going in with my concealer just to cover up any, dark spots, red spots, things like that. And then once that is all done, I'm just going to go ahead and take my Real Techniques blender brush and just, blending sponge, and just blend that in. And now that that's done, I'm just taking my Fenty Beauty foundation. This is one of my favorite foundations because it's full coverage, but it's matte, so it doesn't feel super heavy on the skin. It's a really lightweight foundation, which I like, and it gives you a natural look. So I'm just blending that in, and I always do wet my sponge before I put on foundation. I find that the foundation does go on easier that way. I used to not wet my sponge before, but now I wet it. So I'm just doing that and blending that in all over my face. And then once I'm done with my foundation, then I'm just going to take a brush just to do my bronzer. So I'm using the Unicorn Tears by Too Faced. This is just their bronzer. I do like it because it's kind of shimmery, so I'm just taking that brush and just bronzing my whole face. And then here, I'm just going in with my NARS blush and using my blush all on my cheeks. And then once everything's all done, I'm just setting my face with my Hangover face primer by Too Faced. Just spraying that all over my face to set it, letting it dry. And that's it. Very easy. Thank you guys so much for watching this makeup tutorial that I did, just a natural look. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and of course subscribe. I plan on making more, makeup videos, beauty, lifestyle, stuff like that. But if you guys have any suggestions, anything you want to see or you want me to try out, let me know, and